This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Tail light bulb replacement. Open the trunk. Remove the access panel to the tail light bulb housing. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Pull the bulb straight out of the bulb holder. Installing the bulb only requires pushing the bulb straight into the bulb socket, then aligning the socket to the bulb housing and turning it a quarter turn clockwise. The remaining rear tail light bulbs are removed in the same manner. Install the access panel.